Garden styles come in many shapes and sizes. Italianate gardens, for example, are by definition very structural, with tightly clipped hedges. Stylish lines draw the eye through the landscape, and they tend to have little or no colour, relying on their tight structures, flowing lines, and carrying textures to excite the senses. Not one to stick to rules, the owner of this Johannesburg North garden saw no reason why he couldn't combine rigid form with vibrant colour. The results of his transformation of a near derelict garden prove that he was spot on. Apart from aiming to have his garden reflect his personality, he also implemented the outside-in and inside-out approach. When the new owner moved in about 5 years ago, it didn't matter too much that the garden had fallen into a sad place. Because it had some decent bones, the owner, with the help of his trusty gardeners and some specialist contractors, got stuck into the revamp. Like all good gardeners know, the state of your soil is the key to happy and healthy plants. All the beds were trenched, tons of rubble and stone were removed, and then replaced with a mixture of topsoil, manure, and compost. As you walk through the garden, it becomes clear that water plays an important role. Apart from the large water feature in the main garden, each room in the house has its own private little courtyard and its own little water feature. The effect is the constant soothing tinkling of water, whether you're inside the house or outside in the garden. Once the meticulous prep work was done, it was time for the plants. With over 500 plants potted up from his previous garden, each one needed to find a spot in the new garden. Evident when looking at this garden is the owner's love for roses. He managed to revive a few My Granny and Burgundy icebergs that were already in the garden, and the rest he planted. Maintaining a garden like this is work intensive and requires a lot of maintenance. Hedges need to be trimmed regularly, and plants in close vicinity need to look the part to avoid your eye being drawn to them. In spring and autumn, after removing the spent annuals from the previous season, the garden is recomposted, fertilized and planted en masse with new bedding annuals. Each season's look is dictated by the owner's mood, drawing on what annuals and perennials speak to him at the time of selection. To get the most out of the flowering plants means that they have to be constantly deadheaded to encourage more blooms. To ensure the plants put on a show, a garden also enjoys a weekly feeding of water-soluble fertilizer. A prime example of using an established design style and making it work for you. Simply beautiful.